The ROVSUN 18,000 British Thermal Unit window unit delivers strong cooling and heating for larger rooms, making it a practical all-season solution for home or office use. In addition to cooling and heating, it also offers dehumidifier and fan modes, so you can fine-tune comfort without needing separate appliances. The front panel controls, clear display, multiple operating modes, and 3 fan speeds make it easy to dial in a comfortable setting for different weather conditions. Built-in wireless connectivity with app and voice control through popular smart assistants lets you adjust temperature and modes remotely or hands-free. The included installation kit with adjustable side panels and straightforward instructions helps most users mount the unit in a compatible window with minimal hassle. An easily removable washable filter, energy-saving options, and a manufacturer-backed warranty give this combo unit a reassuring balance of efficiency and long-term value.